सबसे बड़ी बात ये होगी कि ये अवार्ड फंक्शन जब होगा उसमें इनोवेशन नंबर 1 होगा। हर्षा ने पूरी कोशिश की है कि सारे अवार्ड जो अब तक हुए उनसे थोड़ा अलग परफॉर्मेंसेस, अलग प्रेजेंटेशंस हो। वी विल हैव द होल इंडस्ट्री इनवाइटेड, टेलीविजन एंड फिल्म, and hopefully we will have them attend. It is going to be a scenario wherein we would try to keep the element of class in the presentation and in the this is what we aim to achieve, not what we are promising to achieve, because you can't promise anything unless the day comes. But the aim to achieve is absolute class. 9X is working out something which is very big, which is going to be that the relay itself will have an element of surprise left when you're seeing the show, even though so there will be one element of surprise which will come out only on the telecast. So the telecast will be an even bigger thing than the award function.
Okay,
Tell me, why did Balaji want to start these awards? Why?
You know, we were going into the reality arena, we were going into the non-fiction arena, and there was a sense of dissatisfaction when it came to television honors and television awards, because what you see around are very nicely done, but no one was breaking the barrier or like pushing the envelope. So the whole idea was to get into a situation wherein the company, Balaji, in a very systematic and professional manner organizes a function, an award function which in any way can match a film award function and push the envelope, giving the distinctive honors to the different people in different fields in television, so that somewhere when we look back couple of years down the line, we look at television and television honors in the same way, with the same excitement, with the same nervousness, and with the same interest and intrigue, like we would look at probably a Stardust Awards or a Filmfare or Screen Awards. So we wanted television to push the envelope, and that was the thought behind doing an award.
एक तो सुनने में आया था ये पहले मलेशिया में होने वाला था, फिर वेन्यू चेंज होकर दुबई हो गया, फाइनली मुंबई।
नहीं, एक्चुअली ये कभी मलेशिया में नहीं होने वाला था, ये सिर्फ रूमर था, दुबई में होने वाला था, बट keeping in mind certain issues like the Dubai Shopping Festival being there and not getting hotels, because all hotels were booked, it was imperative that we see that our guests are looked after in the best way possible, and we wanted to do it in a way that people don't have to go back home saying, oh shit, we didn't get a car. And it was impossible because we had a list of like 500 to 800 people, and there were not more than one hotel that we were getting, so we need 3 hotels, that many cars. We wanted to then get our experience through the Indian TV Awards in India and then take it global every year. Plus there were some other issues, but we don't want to delve into that. But we felt, why not start here and then take it abroad every year. And I think everyone knew, it's not something which is a surprise or a shock, that we were actually invited by 6 countries, and we decided on Dubai. And all those countries are wanting to wait and watch and see how the first one happens. And they are so excited with the kind of press, the kind of support the press has given us, that we already probably at the function or maybe a couple of days after that would announce the next country we're going to.
और थोड़ा जूरी के बारे में और कैटेगरीज।
What is the idea behind getting SRK?
The idea behind getting SRK in is that he's a man who has had a meteoric rise in films. He came from television, huge thing. He's got the biggest audience base all over the world, and you can't get more global than with Shah Rukh Khan. He is the global face of India.
So we'll see Amitabh Bachchan and Karan Johar also.
I wish, I pray, but Karan, I think you would. Karan, I think
Is it performing?
Karan's gonna do a nice rap number. Of course not. Karan's too big and too nice a guy for us to. We want to see him at the award function in the way he should be seen and the way he wanted to
Tell
be
us
seen.
a bit about the jury and the
Balaji itself is
nomination.
one of the biggest production companies in India. So how are you going to ensure a fair process?
We've not nominated from our company even one award. The channels have been given the decision that if they want to nominate Balaji shows, they will. Then Ernst & Young, as we all know, is a very fair body which evaluates the votes and the jury decision. And I think we have the sensibility and the brains to know that it will be much in speculation that we should keep clear backward. If Balaji wins, it wins. on merit. If it doesn't, it doesn't.
And now we see separate jury members as well.
सेरेमनीज
We
पहले
saw
हुए
that.
थे जो एक बालाजी के एक्टर्स ने एक तरह से बाइकआउट किया था, तो जो काफी लोगों को बुरा लगा था। तो अब ये जो अवार्ड्स बालाजी के, आपको लगता है कि बालाजी को छोड़ के बाकी एक्टर्स अटेंड करेंगे?
आप देखिए, देखने की बात है उस दिन कौन अटेंड करेगा कौन नहीं करेगा। बट आई थिंक परफॉर्मेंसेस भी बाकी एक्चुअली दिस टाइम आई थिंक इन द रिलीज वी डिड नॉट गिव आउट मोस्ट ऑफ द नेम्स, बट वी गॉट द होल the whole industry performing in the awards. And if you see the kind of response we've got from the people and the different producers have supported us, the channels have supported us, the actors have supported us. And as far as boycotting any other award function goes, this press conference is discuss our award function.
Thank you, Harsha. On behalf of the Balaji family, I'd like to thank you all for being here. We at Balaji have always strived to do our best and have managed to change the television viewing scenario, not only in India but across the globe. We have been one of the best in producing fiction, and now it's time for us to move on to the non-fiction arena with reality shows as well as mega events, and that's the reason why we're venturing into this. The Global Indian TV Honours would be our first step into the non-fiction arena. I would like to take this opportunity to thank 9X for being our television partners and the entire producer fraternity for lending us fabulous support. Thank you.